So this is our website. People asking one question is called how to using for Creator Studio. Total website pages to manage by one option is called Creator Studio. Suppose how many services you handle: digital marketing, logo, website design development, hosting, n number of services handled by one company. So people can understand easily my company handling with these pages. How to manage? The manage option is called Creator Studio. Creator Studio will be two options for any purpose to manage multiple pages in one Creator Studio. So first of all, open Creator Studio. They coming to home page. First of all, set up multiple pages in one connection, one collection. Select your option, manage your collection, select your company name, new collection, Rakesh, Tech Solutions. How many pages am I handling about Rocket Tech Solution? So add your pages. What are the services you are selecting? So each will be selected by a services Varangal. So everything will be selected by your one by one option. What are the services you are selecting? Everything will be add your option will be here. Logo, mobile app development. See, multiple pages handled by only option is called Creator Studio. So add your pages. I'm selecting. What are the pages you have? Total page you can select by your collection. Web. Everything checked by one. You will be very important by your option. So anything will be missing, you can add once again by your pages. So what is the option here? So everything will be checked one by one. Select here. Now click for save. Done successfully. So how to share your content on your particular collection? Simple. After selecting this one, it will show you for your total insight. How much you are minute watching videos, followers, and everything. They give information by your particular option. This is called for earning purpose. To check the monetization, check by one page. Is eligible or not? And they will show you for your post your content. How many schedule, how many draft, experience post. Check the engagement, each and every post. Now, what are the content you are posting? Select it. For that, create, post. Select your option. Here, promoting video or shared photo, polls, filling activity, write a note, any option. So I'm selecting for video. Coming to this, select your particular folder. Select it. I'm set by your particular video option. Select it. Paste here. Add your title. Add your keywords. Add your playlist. Create your own playlist with image, without image. Rakesh. After that, add your thumbnail by using option. So video is added, proper title. So you can tag by any person, add your location. Location will be checked by your Gachibowli. That is your target by location, by your page. Copy, subtitle if you want any subtitle required. Polls, create a poll. Yes, save poll. Now, tracking will be hashtags are important along with your domain name with the space, without space. Click here. Next, what is the publish now? Here, for earning process, it will be required by any video will be 3 minutes required. Earning process. Business promotion purpose, no required for any 3 minutes videos. And here one more option is very important in this call. Your video going to buy live. Two options. Publish now with the post this video as a new release. It's on time live. It's on time live. Suppose if you schedule your premiere with a live video, go for premiere. Particular date and particular time. Any premiere you can release by after 10 minutes on particular time to 7:31. 7:42 release by particular premiere. Now coming to any publish now, on time release by any premiere. Option call is post this video as a new release. After click by this premiere, the premiere start by exactly 2 minutes of time with a live video. Where on your Facebook page. With live video on Facebook page. So this is called we can promote by the Creator Studio. Multiple Facebook pages handled by one option is called Creator Studio. Your total company handled by one option is called Creator Studio. What are the pages are there? Easily posting the content each and every page to understanding by your pages. The simple one is called post your content. Showing for Discord. Now is the content you are posting. Select it. Now done. If anything posting, create a post. Select your total company pages. Start your option. Any Facebook premium will be start on time or particular scheduled time. Your time to exactly 10 minutes of time. That option will be showing for only for Facebook Creator Studio to handle the all Facebook pages. It's a very important to handle the multiple company pages to one option is called Creator Studio. So Premiere done. I'll show you Premiere how will be visible by your option. Creator Studio for earning purpose is used and posting purpose use and to check the engagement will be purpose and to check the followers checking purpose. These four will be checked each and every page to understanding by company monetization. So coming to this one. Any Facebook page will be disable any options. We can create a studio accept by any options. Just scroll down. Click this. Now we're showing for Start watch party. We're showing for new. The payment already started by these are your 2 minutes. Now video will be posting your option. Take the poll. Poll nothing but looking services. Yes. Is that clear? This is called you can release any videos using by Creator Studio. They accept by poll creation, video, images, website URL, anything promoted by you using business promotion. Allow me to check the Facebook endings with the monetization, checking by followers and the minute of video views. So this is called we can use by Facebook Creator Studio.